This is Jared at Weber Brothers bringing you another example of a front clip. On today's episode, we have a 2025 Nissan Rogue. This is an SV version. This particular vehicle is the front clip is in the pre-shipment stage. So this one is going to have a custom-made pallet built for it, shipping to a customer down in South Carolina. So if you're picking one up, this is how it would look. If we're having one shipped, it will be a totally different situation and at a much greater expense. If you have any questions about that, just shoot me an email or give me a call. I'd be happy to discuss it. We'll get you some pricing and figure out if it works for you. So as you can see, this vehicle is just about ready to go. They still have to put the skid under it, a different skid, and totally rewrap it. Over there we have the splash shields. In the bag we have all sorts of miscellaneous stuff. Airbox is over there. Fender liners. As you can see, there's no dash. That's common. We don't include dashes, no airbags, no subframe. But as you can see, you get the fenders, hood, bumper, headlights, grille. This one is noted that the grille is cracked and the emblem's missing. We made the customer aware of that because we don't like to issue surprises to anyone. Fender on this side looks pretty good. There's also some scrapes on the bottom of the cover, which you can't see because it's the absolute bottom of the cover, and that is extremely common. We've had cars with no miles, very, very few miles show up, and they all have scratches. So it's just when people park. This one also has a little bit of an issue on the front hood. Right here's a little crease, and there's a little impression right here. Again, did share that with the customer. A lot of times folks are buying in color, so it is very important that we disclose everything and we don't hide anything. Nice clean headlights. This vehicle has very low miles. A little scratch in the bumper right there. Has very, very low miles. So everything on it is exceptionally clean. Get you under the hood and show you what you can expect from there as well. So we generally cut all of our fronts exactly the same and leave as much as we can behind as long as it's not an inventory part. But you can always expect in a front clip to get the radiator, the cooling fan set up, the condensers in there, the rad support, obviously the top cover of the rad support, coolant bottle, washer bottle, cowl cover. ABS unit's not always there, as is the power brake booster is not always there, but sometimes it is. Just ask. Got the fuse box. We've got a couple extra motor mounts, the AC lines. My dismantling team did a great job. They didn't cut any of the hoses. Everything is capped. And again, this one is nice, new, very, very clean inventory, very fresh stuff, as is most of our items. We're known for quality. People buy in color, we understand that. People buy for high quality and expect it. So we're happy to describe it to you. Again, we don't hide anything from anybody. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I can be reached on the phone, 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. You can find me on all the social media sites, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, you name it. Look up Jared Weber Bros. You will find me, or you can shoot me an email, JaredWeberBros@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.